where are we? Like, stuff happened while I was away. This untitled map, interesting. Let's go to game, maps. We got test armory, test grounds, and main menu. Interesting. Let's go here. I'm gonna have to work on ammunition and HUD at this point. And let's see, I am live on both chats, so yeah, anyone watching, hello. Okay, back here, see if everything works as it did. Okay. Morning.
How are you?
Doing great. Okay,
did you make any decision for the animations?
No, not yet. I've just sit down to the project, tested if nothing is broken since yesterday, because a lot of people contributed to it, so I don't know what's the state.
Yeah, I was thinking for this type of animations we need to add a special bone for the gun, since the gun will be detached from the hand and float in front of him.
You know what?
To the hand.
Usually, what I would like right now, weapons are attached to the hand directly to a socket. But what I would normally do is I would run a virtual bone from head to IK handgun, because all of the animations that we are using, they normally would have IK handgun, but the model itself, he doesn't have IK bones at all. And adding IK to every single animation is pointless. So just like, how did you do this reload when the weapon is levitating?
You can add a special bone. It's attached to the hand. It follows all its translation, but you can move it alone and make.
So I can run IK on it.
Yeah, no need for IK. You can animate it alone, move it in the space. But
Okay.
when you move the hand, it follows the hand.
Okay,
and
it's already added
also
to the skeleton that we have in the project, or not yet?
No, I want to ask you, should I add this special
Oh
bone?
yeah, definitely. If we want to have custom animations, we either need the IK bones or the special bone on the right hand. So I'm not touching the skeleton.
First one that we work, that epic skeleton that I can add to it, this bone, and work as epic rig, or use this character with this rig.
Use the one that we have, so it's easier to just reload it back into the game, and we won't have to retarget animations again.
Okay.
I think it will be just easier and faster. I need to do all those kinds of weapons that we have, and I have to do HUD and reload.
Okay, but should does it affect the animations?
No, like when you update the skeleton, all the animations will just update to the skeleton, and nothing else will happen. Yeah. As long as you don't remove any bones or change the hierarchy from what previously was working, just add something new, it will be working well.
Yeah, we'll just add one bone.
What do you want, my pretty cat? What do you want, my sweet boy? What? Attention? You want attention? Of course he wants attention.
You started streaming?
Yeah, I'm already streaming. And I got like 2 people watching. Woo!
You're not streaming on Discord, yeah?
On Discord as well. Oh, I forgot to stream. Yeah, that probably helps to really activate it. Okay. Oh, TT is off. Okay, display HUD. What were I doing? Oh yeah, weapons. It's going to be items, weapons. Oh, and we got here, I guess, demo.
We used the static mesh weapons.
Yeah, those are static mesh, which makes it a lot easier.
Okay, I'll start on that rig.
Humanoid rig. Okay. Save the skeleton. And I want to take two animations from this pack as well. So I want to do third person idle, third person jump loop. And yeah, just those two. Target, duplicate. Here. No, yes. Hopefully it will not break completely, but we're going to see in a second. Let's just throw it there and retarget.
There's error.
Oh, what was this error?
Socket, something related to socket. Check it from our log.
Where's the log? Oh, it should be here.
I think it's open.
No. Oh yeah, it is. UI command that fell. Unable to find. What? Oh, J over. What? Okay, I don't get. I don't see the error. Let's do it again. Retarget, duplicate. Yes, yes. Here. This guy. And retarget. And use to have preview mesh setup. What? We don't have what the hell is happening? Like you sometimes save things and they just completely break because of reasons. So yeah, apparently,
Target well.
like I do have a retarget source. Okay, so this is set, which means that he doesn't see. Wait, it was in demo content, third person, mannequin, character, mesh. Ah, yeah, this guy. What the hell? He has one. Preview mesh. This is the preview mesh. Save. View pose, hide pose, modify, reset, hide. Okay, everything is set properly. So no idea what can go wrong. Animations, idle, jump loop, just work. Mannequin skeleton need to have preview mesh set up, but they do. Okay, I probably have to restart the engine because why not? Yeah, because it was saved but wasn't saved. Awesome. Good afternoon to you as well. Hi, we got new viewers. A lot of boring job in front of me today. And how is AI going, by the way?
One Silver Leaf wants to work on that. I did tag you yesterday that he wants to take it.
What? Who wants to take it?
One Silver Leaf.
Oh, okay, maybe. I don't remember. What kind of game this is going to be? It's going to be a first-person shooter where you try to clean up the trash bin of your computer by killing all the files in it, basically, so you don't run out of space. Yeah, super stable engine. I mean, I've seen, and by the way, like a lot of strange things is happening. For example, in project settings, I don't have a default map that it opens, but I should have one. So something is broken with maps and modes. Because test armory should be here in editor startup map, but it wasn't. Like sometimes some options just get overwritten by someone, or I don't know what's really happening. Okay, let's try it again. If it fails, I give up. I don't care anymore. Okay, screw this. Do I have third person jump loop? That's the only one. God, that's not good. Na zdrowie. Okay, let's just get back to things that need to be done instead of trying to fix small unimportant things. So let's go to this map. Let's go to, what is LPG? Okay, I don't know. Let's go to game, blueprints, and here are the templates. So let's go with BP weapon. Let's work on that. Okay, use pickup. This is the highlight, and this is the shot fired. We will need some particles probably soon. On equip. Okay, so here is some HUD. Weapon. Add weapon bar. Okay. Max ammo value color. Okay, this will be gray. Frame color, let's maybe make it dark red. Progress color, let's make it, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not very good with colors. Progress impact, what the hell is this? Okay. Current ammo. What? Okay, let's see here. I got the crosshair damage feedback indicator. Health, hit points, kill count, post process progress, weapon bar. I get all those. Okay, add or update. Ammo icon 1, okay. Slot icon. Okay. So what it does, I'm not entirely sure. Okay, yeah, got it. Okay, now how to update it? Get update max ammo and update ammo. Oh, okay. So I can just get EP barrel and say ammo count, including chamber, goes here, and I can make this a separate event. Custom event, update ammo budget. So yeah, this go. Get out of here. Okay. Okay. Update ammo. That's gonna show you. Shutter HUD is not a plugin. It's just an asset pack. And max ammo, let's say 90. Okay. Let's see. Okay, awesome. Get ammo count. Okay, so let's now make sure that this EP barrel is not unlimited in ammo. So let's make it 30. Let's go into construction script and say set ammo count, and let's make this a variable and call it max size, and just in case make it replicated and make it default 30.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so this is the new max size, and now ammunition is not infinite. And let's also get ammo type, and this would be an actor class. And what we want to do with this actor class is to get owner of this weapon, see if it's valid, and also custom event. We don't want to do it on each shot. Update max ammo. Okay. Okay, like this, and if the owner is valid, then get inventory and get all of class. Actor class, actor component. So, oops, it should be actor class. Yes, change variable type. Okay. And we do another valid. And if things are not valid, then say 0. Okay. I don't know why I can't drag those comments. Like normally I could grab them and whatever is inside them would get added. Must be some kind of option that I missed. Okay, so what we want to do is to get all items of class, and yeah, that's exactly what we want to do. And then for each loop, and we want to do this as a function, and we call it count items. And we're actually going to do it like this and say that count items has another input class, actor class. It's not self, but inventory. So to say count, and this is integer, and get item component, and say stack, current stack. I want to say count, add, set by reference. Okay. Oh, we can't set by reference like this. Set count, not if it's part of the calculation, because the order of execution would make it not really work well. Okay, let's do a quick break here and do return node and just say get count. It goes here and here, so if it's false, it will just return 0. But if it's not false, then it will add up all the count of certain item type. Okay, so we don't need to do, yeah, we need to do this, and then we will need to do this and this. Okay, and on start we want to update ammo and update max. Let's see, you could do an on trigger timeline that adds some value to shot speed, but once finished the barrel overheats and you have to wait for it to cool down. Yeah, but we kind of wanted to do just classic weapons. Why did it fail to compile? What? Target. Oh, yeah, sure, of course it failed. Here you go. Okay. Like, yeah, it wouldn't be hard to do overheating. Okay, so it says 30. Great. leave this none. No, that's not gonna help. The hell is this? User widget class reference. Icon? Like, where is this being shown even? Oh, okay, it's this small one and this big one. No. Let's see, icon 2. I don't really get it. I'll just leave it at none. I'm gonna look into documentation later on. Okay, so we got this, and now we will need a reload. So, oh, that's gonna be fun. Reload needs to be an ability. And I don't have anyone to help me out with this one, so I will try not to screw this up. So this goes here, and we have game features called character features. So inside character features we have weapons, and we have this trigger. So I need to make a new input action, call it input action reload. Now this input action is default, and we're going to also need an ability, which is a gameplay ability blueprint, and it is of time gameplay ability. Okay, and we call it gameplay ability underscore reload. Okay, so on reload what we do is we commit ability, and if commit ability fails by any chance, what we want to do is end ability. However, can this ability even trigger? Okay, let's go and do that. Override can activate ability. So from actor info we need avatar. Okay, we need avatar actor, and what we need is to get equipment. See if it's valid. If it's not, then it fails. But if it is valid, then we want to get item in slot, and we just want to save weapon. And hey, sup?
Hey.
Branch.
Hello.
I'm trying to do abilities by myself, because as you probably know or not, MK Labs at hospital today. Nothing very serious, but yeah, he'll be remotely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but
Yeah,
if true, okay. Let's expand our interface, our weapon interface. Add function, get ammo, and get ammo will give you ammo.
Guys wanna see the UI? If you need any changes in current stuff, then you can tell.
I will have a look at it in a moment.
Okay, so if you can take care of it, that would be awesome. I would like to see it as well because I've just seen a teaser
Oh,
and
yeah.
it looked amazing. But I need to deal with this.
Wafer is streaming.
Great. Okay, so we got this. Get ammo. And I can now go here and say get ammo.
You even added a gradient to the title bar. That's a nice touch.
Let me see it again.
Good job. Really good
Okay.
job. Huh? What is it?
Logout will make it background.
Okay.
Can you test it again, please?
What?
And what happens if you click on the recycle bin? Oh, okay.
Need.
And can reload is
Like it will try to delete but then will ask for.
okay. I got this reload. G reload and
Looks pretty solid. Really.
I like it really.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
no.
So, yeah, what? Yeah, exactly. That's what I was going to ask as well.
What settings should be in settings menu?
Maybe difficulty?
Sounds and sound effects. Music and sound effects.
Volume for audio in general. I think that's it for now. Yeah, that would be a really big task. Maybe we should add a menu where you can.
I think we
how
should
to
leave
play.
controls and stuff then. I never did it before too. Yeah, did that.
Something like how to play. Yeah, exactly. And then we can show the control scheme and
Oh, I see it as
maybe
well.
add 1 or 2 lines how to play the game actually.
Yeah. Or like
Yeah.
a slideshow.
Yeah.
Simple one.
Sounds good.
Nice. I just take a peek.
So actually, I think you should also make the pause menu then, so we don't have a break in our style. Okay.
Yeah,
that's
we'll make
nice.
similar style.
Okay. Yeah, I will start with implementing a enemy manager and implement the overall gameplay checking code or logic for finding out if all enemies have been removed from the game, so you are allowed to enter the next level.
Oh, nice. For game mode, everything.
Yeah, for game mode, and I plan to create a subsystem for the enemy manager, so when we create new enemy actors, you will have to get a reference to the enemy manager subsystem and register your enemy so it knows about it. And also when your enemy actor gets destroyed, it should unregister from the enemy manager. And so we can have a very structured way of knowing when every enemy is killed.
Oh, nice.
This prevents us basically from having to ask or collect
Get all actors or something.
yeah, to query the word every time and
Yeah.
get all actors, which is very performance hungry.
And you run out of space.
Yeah, yeah. Out of space and performance and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else we should discuss, WFRX?
One. Any.
I can read what you're typing, but we
Cause
only
I
hear
need to make it fort menu too.
first words.
Is my connection bad or?
No, no, it's yeah, it's for me the same. So
Just type. You can read. No need to.
Yeah. So regarding your question, I haven't decided yet how to implement it. I think we will just copy whatever your gameplay state is from the game state and copy it over to the game instance. So it won't get destroyed when we switch the level and the word and then restore it. Oh, yeah, we won't have actual save games if that's what you're asking for. I don't know if this is really a valid point, because the levels, I mean, when we get the dungeon architect to work for packaging as well, we will have procedural levels anyway, so there's kind of progress, but it will always start from the beginning when you fire up the game. Oh, yeah, this is... Yeah, but that's separate. Volume settings or user settings should be separately saved. This is easy. I can write the code behind it, so you can simply call it from the blueprints then.
Or just use the
I
save
can do
game
it.
objects. And by the way, yeah, easy ballistics for 427 builds quite easily from 426 version.
Nobody wrote this yet, so yeah, you can go ahead. Okay. But yeah, about progress in general, I think, Adam, you said it would be nice if the player could build up some kind of progress, even when you lose the game in a run. So still
Yeah,
something?
but this could be just scoring, really. It's not that important. Like, when you die, you might have to start from the first map again. It's not really a problem.
Yeah, but we could actually build easily some progress into the game by having unlockable weapons. So you can see them already in the game. They're hanging on the wall. But when you point at it, it says it's locked. You need to be level, I don't know, 10 to use this grenade launcher. This could give the game a bit of replayability.
Maybe, why not?
Yeah, not each time. The unlocking would be persistent. So you're really playing some progress. What? Yeah. You won't lose your
Okay.
progress of unlocked weapons. That's what I'm trying to say. But everything else will start from new, except the unlocked weapons. You're increasing your player level. Maybe that's how we should say it. You're playing, and this will increase your player level, and over time you will be able to unlock weapons by increasing your player level.
Yeah, that makes sense. Like, you would go back to Armory and grab some more cool stuff.
Yeah. We could maybe just say
Yeah, sounds good.
you need more experience and have to be player level X.
Also,
Use the cat? Oh, what's it called? Nyan cat? Oh my god, I'm so bad with memes. Nyan cat it is, I guess. with the cake body?
It's a toast.
It's a toast, yeah, see? I'm bad with it. For me, it's cake. For Windows boot up? How do you imagine this?
well, we start game and it will load like Windows load.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you mean like this boot screen that Windows had?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should fit our theme pretty well, since we will add a lot of memes. Sure. Yeah, you should send it. I think he won't read it right now.
Angle ask Lilbut to start downloading DED memes.
Did you get this?
Yeah, but I'm kind of busy.
But someone should actually collect and make a list of
Like
all
I
the
got
memes we want to use.
like most of us got a collection of memes on their drive, so that's not going to be an issue.
Okay.
Not me, lol.
Not me either.
Don't worry about it.
That memes? Yeah, exactly. You're talking about context. We need memes that make some kind of sense, not just randomly bunching.
Today,
together.
let's focus on mechanics.
Okay. So.
Okay. Convert to parameter name, color, what, color, and okay. Okay. This one. Okay. Dziękuję. Okay. This be
I can't fill the settings menu, lol.
Yeah, we will find something else. Just keep it like that.
did I also go to the parent. And let's say this physics custom or dynamic ignore block query in physics. Okay. Okay. Almost. So vertical line. What? No idea what that is. Event graph. Use pickup. Update ammo. Use pickup. Update ammo. It's on shot fired. On reload event. Implement. How's it going? Good to see you doing the jam. Not by 2, I will drop in sick. Hi, long time. The old stuff. Oh my god, yeah, hi mate. Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, I'm doing the jam. I got convinced to try it. Okay. GA reload. And get this item, let's say. Oh no. Like, what is wrong with Unreal Engine 5? Is it Unreal Engine 5 or is it this blueprint assist? Like, it's turned off but it's still doing stuff.
We can just remove it. It's too annoying.
Like,
Yes,
yeah, it's super annoying. Like, I make a new node that is an execution node that has this input, this blue input of a reference, and it
Yeah.
automatically reparents the execution.
Yeah, this is stupid.
And also
I bel-
sometimes he sets infinite loops like this because reasons by default. He just makes infinite loops.
Yeah, I believe I added the wrong plugin, to be honest. I wanted to have
it makes my
totally
code messy.
different
I rang it.
one. Okay. We're removing it. I will do it in a second.
Okay.
And I will add another one, which is not that bad. I promise you.
Okay, so where's execute? I haven't used it, so execute reload.
Check channel if you are free.
Yeah, I like this idea. I mean, for the submenus of those 6 items that you've shown, that you're showing there, we could just make a glitch or something, or pop up an error message, as long as we don't have a submenu for this.
Like we are doing for other apps.
Okay, so now I will get count. Okay, I need a function. Okay, reload DB barrel and it will go here. And it will say input max ammo. And inventory. Inventory manager object reference. Okay. So this minus this. Oops, look a variable to load. And now if this is less or equal this, then set ammo make it load. Okay, this is just charge. Yeah, set ammo, it's the only one. So if it's true, then set ammo to max size. Remove items. Oh, again, fucking infinite loops. And he completely broke my execution.
I'm on it, I'm on it.
Oh, that is so annoying.
Yeah,
And remove
I had it happen to me as well, so
ammo
I
to
feel
load.
you.
But if this is less, then set ammo to load this max ammo. And
Yesterday I had to reboot my PC to be able to package our project. My PC reported that it was using 96 gigabytes of RAM and it was crying.
96 gigabytes.
Yeah, yeah. I have 64 gigabytes of real RAM and it used some virtual memory as well, but it was just
Oh
too
my
much.
god. Just too much, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
I'm really thinking about installing another 64 gigabytes.
Yeah, for Unreal you mean, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. My motherboard can hold 128, so, but it's kind of crazy. And rebooting fixes it, so maybe I should reboot a bit more often than every 3 months.
Oh my god, I reboot every day.
I hate it. I have so many
What?
windows open.
It doesn't take much time, really.
Oh, you have no idea. I have so
You
many
haven't
console.
rebooted in 3 months?
Yeah, actually, it's more like when I really have to. So usually it's more like 4 or 5 months. I have so many windows and terminals and everything open. I just don't want to reboot. So where is it? Epic. That's this one.
Angel?
Tak?
Are you
Yes.
modifying the hand positions for the first person? For any animation?
Did I what?
Do you modify the hand position for the animations?
No. No, I haven't. I'm using just the starter kit animations. They're the ones that we have in
The
our project.
virtual bones, what are they doing?
The virtual bone is I wanted to use them to do hand sways,
Yeah.
but unfortunately for some reason not every IK node in the anim graph even works with Unreal Engine 5.
Oh, nice.
So I had some issues with modify bone.
Okay.
Okay, EB barrel.
Oh, that's bad. The really good plugin doesn't work with UE5 yet. So yeah, I removed the offending plugin. You can just pull it, and don't forget to regenerate and rebuild.
Sure. In a second, I need to see if reloading works. Character features, so it should be here in the context. Okay, so I have jumping, interaction, triggers. I need to do a new one called reload, and this one will be on R, obviously, and in the context I'm going to say that actor class is player character. The granted ability is reload, and the input action is reload, and that's it. And I have to register, save, get back to active. What? Show message. Data validation failed. Character feature contains invalid data. What? Oh, okay, I get it. It's here, delete, yeah. And here I need to do it. So actor class, player, character, and granted ability is reload on reload. Because it cannot be twice. Okay. So let's see. Okay, this works, but what about picking up items? What is this? Okay, I know what it is. It's this saying it doesn't have anything, so now it does. I'll save. What do I want? Oh yeah, interaction. So I have to go into interaction. Okay, so BP ammo. It must have class settings, interaction interface. Okay. And now I have oh, what? Get damages in the interaction interface? That's terrible. Interact use and highlight. So highlight doesn't do anything. Interact use says inventory. Get all items of class. Class is self class.
Grabbing a coffee. Be right back.
Okay. Didn't found, then edge your item, pick up item by this inventory. Okay, let's do a valid check. If it didn't find, then pick up. If it did find, then get a copy. And get max, get stack size, item component, get current stack, get max stack. And what we want to do is set current stack to okay, way to make it a function. Collapse the function. Let's call this function update ammo count.
I like this dialogue. Are you sure? And the only option is yes.
Perfect.
We might want to keep it like that.
Of course.
I mean, it's
like works as intended.
Yeah.
And when you close it with the close button, it spawns two of these tilers.
Yeah, let's make it a bit glitchy.
You mean feature reach?
Yes.
Yeah, or just keep it like that. It's just not working, the X button. So the only other option is to click on the yes button. I decided to create a base class for our enemies, so it will register and unregister itself automatically for you. So when you want to create enemies, just inherit from my base class.
Yeah.
If it's less equal than the current stack, true, then set current stack to current stack minus. Again, this freaking bullshit plug. Okay, and this current stack, and then if equals 0, then destroy actor self. What else? What else? What else? And if it is not, if it is more, then set current stack to current stack plus. Again, my God.
Just pull the latest.
Yeah, but I'm in such a middle of something that
Yeah. Sorry.
that I will just lose what I was even thinking when I started
Yeah.
doing that. Okay,
Yeah,
so
right.
this is then the current stack, and again, and destroy.
DNA someone find how does recalculate.
What? Question got cut.
Oh, right. Yeah, I have to pull
Um,
like.
I can show it to you. Oh. This image actually fits our theme. Just found that.
Which one?
I posted it in the Game Jam channel.
You go click empty to start the game.
Sorry, what?
When you click empty, you start the game.
Probably. It's really hard to find the animation that was playing when it was emptying the recycle bin.
I think we should play recycle anims and then it says need to do manually.
Oh, that's a great idea. Like, it got stuck with something and you have to go in. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to find this animation. Where is it? think it looked
Default
like the copy animation.
info. Max size 30. Damn it.
Yeah, I mean,
Check chat once.
we could just improvise here. Let's see.
Oh no! Defaults. Where's the game mode? Where's our game mode? Something is very much broken.
What's broken?
I guess the inventory by any chance? Let's find my player
I found
state.
it. I found it. WeatherX, check out this video. It's near the start. In the first 20 seconds.
Pistol ammo. Where the hell is it? Game C, game mode. Shit.
Angel, look at the problem I told you. If Unreal is changing hand position.
I think.
In Blender, look at the hand, the right hand, and in Unreal, the second one.
Wait. You looking at my stream?
No, my stream.
You don't have a
I
stream.
posted image. No,
Oh, okay.
don't know.
Yeah, so you mean that it's super twisted, right?
No, it's lowered in the Unreal. The same animation in Unreal, the right hand is lowered. When you in Blender, it goes.
Same animation. Oh yeah. So this is like side view and this is side view.
Yeah, same.
You know why? Maybe because in Unreal we have retarget options on the skeleton and it's not running animations like one-to-one.
Oh, they are modifying skeleton instantly in the retarget option.
Yeah, the retarget options. They're all set to skeleton, so maybe that is somehow interfering, or that the hips are animation scaled is interfering.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Oof. Oh my god. I was so scared that somehow inventory broke and we haven't noticed it. But it was super trivial thing, fortunately.
What?
Okay, we can reload now. But I still have something broken with the reload, but yeah, I need to restart the project. That's it. Okay. Mm. Oh, of course it doesn't work. I'm an idiot. Mm.
is going on here?
Hey. Woohoo! Ammo is working.
Sweet.
Co tam?
Is this my problem? Have you been using the function library yet?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna rename it. So I can skip the core redirects.
What the hell is wrong with this? Oh, okay. That explains. I need to rename this interface function. I can't say get level, I need to say get item level or something. Because there is a collision of this function name and some other function name.
Hmm.
Yeah. I couldn't compile the object. Like get level is restricted as a name.
Yeah, this is something I really dislike about C++. In other languages, you don't have this problem. You can just overshadow existing names if you want to. But C++ is a different beast. C++ API can be sometimes a bit annoying. Things are called the same but mean different things. I mean in the Unrail's API.
Oh. Good that everything is well documented.
I mean, it's there in the source code.
Yeah, sure.
So, let's... Oh, of course. Okay, this should work now. Let's try it out. Play video file. I think if we want to do that, we have to enable the media something plugin.
No.
No? Okay.
Just works.
Oh, okay. Maybe they made it a default that it is now enabled in UE5, but I think in UE4 you have to enable it explicitly.
On the test map, look
Like
at my
cropping
screen.
it from a YT.
We got already 5 levels of AK,
Oh wow.
and each of them use the same ammo, but they deal different damage.
Mm-hmm.
So they scale quite nicely, like plus 50% per each level. I need to make sure now that you can pick only one item of the same class, and you have a reload that actually works.
This is looking really nice. Also the copy animation looks also nice.
Yeah, so it's really okay. 5 levels of items, I think, is enough.
Yeah. We can always expand on this.
Sure. Like it's just an integer, so any number is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go here. Items, and they all use the same ammo because the ammo is reading damage value from the weapon.
Oh no. Locked off.
Okay, saving. This keyboard is evil. I love my keyboard. Okay, saving and taking a short break, like an hour or something, and getting back to it and working more on weapons. And like this is just an AK. I'm adding pistol and shotgun and basically everything except rocket launchers for now, because they will require extra special bullets and grenade launchers as well.
Okay. Have you committed your current work state?
The previous one, but I'm committing this one as well. Let me just save everything and close. And like this is surprisingly without collisions so far.
Yeah, it's working really well. Seems like we know what we're doing now.
Don't jinx it. Okay, So yeah, talk to you in like an hour or hour and a
Okay.
half, something like that. And
Talk to you
yeah,
later.
also thanks everyone who is on the stream following our progress. It's like a small team doing our best. Second day. Let's see if we be able to actually finish a game in 6 days. That would be amazing. And yeah, we might even just publish it for free on Steam, just for shits and giggles. Like, why not? And see how many copies we can push for free and what level of reviews we can get. And that could be a nice exercise, by the way, to publish a game. So yeah, thanks for listening. See